Hi, today's video is on our recent stay at Disney's Hotel New York Art of Marvel at Disneyland Paris. We stayed here in March of 2023. We stayed in an Empire State Club room. It had two, I think they were double size beds. They said queen, but they seemed a little smaller than that to me. Maybe they were queen. And here is the room tour. As we go in, we see, first of all, right off to the left is the closet. Here's the door. I'll show you that. So here's the door, and then the closet is immediately to the left, or it was immediately to the left in our room. In this closet, there's an iron and an ironing board, and then there is some storage here, a little shelf, some hanging storage, and then these shelves above that. Here are the pillows. They had already turned down the bed for us. And then here are some robes. We had a child-sized robe for my son with cute little slippers. It has that 30th anniversary theme on it. So cute. So you can use these while you're in the room. And then here's a little bench storage and some under storage underneath that. And then there are drawers here. Here is a list of the dry cleaning as of March 2023. If you want to take a look at that. The safe is right here in the closet area. I don't know what that plug-in is for. There's a plug-in in there. Then here's a hairdryer, and then we're going to go through these drawers here. There's plenty of drawer space here. I usually pack in the cubes, in those little packing cubes, and so it's so easy just to put them right into the drawers. I find that pretty easy. And then here's the bathroom. It does have the sliding door to close off the bathroom from the rest of the room. The toilet area, although separate here, it does not have an additional door within it. Here's the shower. No shower curtain, just one part of glass. Like the whole thing wasn't glass, just only the part where the water would be flowing down. And the rest was open. And then there's some towels and things. And then if we go over here, here's the soap. It's themed. Has the theme on it. So cute. And then over here, we're in Europe, so you get a toothbrush and a comb, dental set. I guess it had probably the toothpaste in it too. Shaving set, and then the vanity set. So all of those things were in the room when we got there. Here's the plug-in here, and the shaver plug-in also. Yeah. And then I'll just pan around here so you can kind of take a look at the mirror. They did have a makeup mirror. It was a lit makeup mirror, so there's a light on that. So that was nice. And then here's the big mirror. It was a single vanity sink. And then there's also a full-size mirror right here. Sorry, our luggage, and then here's the rest of my family just walking by. So here is the full-size mirror, and then if we go on in, here are the beds. Maybe they were queen size. Maybe I was just really tired. I don't know. So there are the beds. There are little, like, they're not really like nightstands, but little like shelves almost beside the beds with the plug-ins there. They left these for us, and they left those every night. And then you also got a new card, which I'll probably show you that in just a moment. Here's the stationery, or the little pen and paper that they left in their room. So cute. And then here's the light switches for the room, and the telephone, And so here's the card. And then this would change nightly. So we had Iron Man, Spider-Man, and I can't remember the other ones, but every night it was a different one. So my son really liked that. That was pretty neat. There are 2 chairs in here also for sitting. And then over here we have that same plug-in and things, and the light switches over on that side. There's a little table there, and then also another light, and it did light up the room pretty well. The artwork was very themed, and then here's the coffee maker, and they left water in the room, and then if you ask for it, they'll just send you extra water if you need it, or it's also in the Empire State Club too. That was the different coffee offerings in there. Coffee was good. Did try that out. And then here is a fridge under here if you want to put some drinks or something in it. They also left stationery here. That other thing was like a pad of paper that I showed you earlier, and this is more so the stationery. So I've got some like writing paper and envelopes, and then this tells you more information about the hotel. They gave us this little postcard, and then there's some information here on the hotel, including a room service menu, and then there's also, if you wanted to order room service in advance and hang it on your door the night before, that was in there as well. And so there's a mirror there, and the mirror also is the TV. Here are some more additional plugins, different ones. They did have USB, so that was convenient to plug your phone in. And then we have all our luggage right there. So here's a bigger view of the room, and then here's that candy again. I'm going to have my son open it up for you so you can have a look at what it looks like inside. There's different sizes that look like gemstones. So he thought that was really neat. It was pretty cool. And they left a new one every night, so that was great. Pretty neat. Here's a little bit of the offerings for the tea time. This is just what I picked up. They had pizza, they had salads, they had all kinds of offerings, even gluten-free offerings for my daughter. So that was great. And then look at that Thor little dessert thing. It was so good. It was like a mousse, so yummy. This is just inside the hotel, like as you're walking through and things. And then there's a store there, and then I was just showing you where the restaurants were, and then the Empire State Club is actually on that first level. It's not on the same level as your room. This was breakfast. This is just something that I got. And later on in the video, I have a little bit of the buffet so you could have a little bit better view of that. This was on our floor, what our floor was themed like. It had Ant-Man on it as you got off the elevator. And then I was going to show you in this staircase, the times switch up. So like after 6 o'clock, after the tea time, then they just offered drinks, like soft drinks and that sort of thing upstairs. And then so you can use those stairs to get to it from your room if you're not on the same floor as that. Here is that breakfast buffet that I was talking about. I'm just going to give you like a span of it. I'm just going to walk through it and show you exactly what was offered when we were there. Lots of different things. You will definitely be full when you leave breakfast. Meats. There was even an egg station where you could boil your eggs right over here. So right here, you could do that. And then there was all kinds of breads and honey, anything you could think of. Pancakes were at the end of this. It was really nice. We had a wonderful time here. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day wherever you are.